design of sails. It still had something that looked similar to tape drive, but it wasn't tape drive. It was like, because it was Kevlar. They were like, you could still get Kevlar sails.
I feel like if you were to get new sails, you kind of
oh yeah,
there's so much that has changed since 2013 or whenever those were.
yeah. But as far as material, I mean,
Material-wise, yeah.
But like that's the thing, like the Kevlar, it looks like Kevlar. It looks like
They're cool. Black is cool.
but no, that's carbon.
So there's a carbon.
I think that's carbon lamp like fibers in it. So I think the ones that we have are carbon. Like they have the black is carbon. But
In the Doyle.
Yep.
I'm
So
going to be
I think it's carbon and Kevlar. And then I think there's Kevlar with no carbon. Like it's like the Technora kind of old school. I think. But then you have the 3DI.
And whatever Steve's name's made out of, they have that, but they have a racing version.
Yeah.
And that's
Yeah. And that, I don't know what that is. But that's like more...
But that's what everybody uses up in Cleveland.
And that's not laminate, or like tape drive. That's like more like 3DI, like some weird... I know the word, if I could think of it.
Are they opening up the bridge? Because I got a level 31.
Probably. They probably didn't see us. Probably because we weren't up there, they're not open. But I was there, 11:29, so that's why I made that right. I'm trying to think what that material is. Armory or something?
You want to beat that day?
Don't do that.
David.
Hey, take those out. I know, you are driving, but you're going to drive yourself to the ER for the broken jaw, man. This thing is a tri-radial sail. But there, I know when I was looking at pretty much all of them, they all had like 3 cuts. You got like a cruising cut, you have a club racing, and then you have a Grand Prix. I would just get the club racing one because I think that they're all the same as far as like speed-wise. I know the carbon is right, but the other one's gotta be good. And for $3,000 less, you know what I mean? You gotta be, huh? No. Well, so nobody was there, but I mean, we were here, but we didn't do our horn. So let's see, there it is. That guy,
That charter system wants to get out of the river.
well, that walking guy kind of concerned me.
Me too.
Because
I'm like, that guy is...
I thought it was the bridge tender coming to say, it broke. Because it's been broke before.
Yeah.
And you just dock out here until they fix it. And
Pray that no storm comes through.
yeah, they just call a guy to come fix it, and they'll, wherever that guy lives or works or is, they wait till he gets here. Yeah. But like, it was like years ago when Nikki and I started dating, it was broke. There were about 20 boats out here because it was a Sunday. It was nice. All the boats were out sailing. So all the sailboats from the yacht club were out here. My Uncle Joe's was out here. And I was like, well, I'll go down and check it. It's like out here. And we got there and they were, woo! And opened the thing. I was like, get in the boat! And we drove the boat in. Just by coincidence. Yeah, we were there one day. And then it went down and it was done for the day. Like they were like, yeah, still broke. There's a hand crank that you could crank it up with. Right where that telephone pole is, the second one, in the ground there's a manhole cover. A post goes in there with arms, and you can walk around in a circle and open that bridge up.
Do you have to be a gorilla to do it?
No, it's
I
all.
think it's heavy.
It's
I
easy
think that
because
bridge-
it's counterweight. You just have to walk in a circle.
I'm willing to bet that counterweight is the weight of the bridge. So that bridge is probably very light.
Yeah.
The motor that runs it is probably insane. It's probably very small.
Yeah. Yeah, it's probably really all balanced.
That had been crazy when they took it out. Remember when they dropped the bridge a couple years ago? There was nothing there.
No, they lifted it. They left it up.
I thought that they were working on it, but they took it out.
No, when they worked on it a few years ago, this was like, I was in college. They left it all the way up for like a year and a half, and they fixed it somehow while it was up. And then
I thought not too long ago they actually took it off.
years ago, when I was a real little kid, like Dave's age,
Oh,
they took it off. They put it on a barge and it fell in. Like it like sunk the barge. So like I'll find pictures and I'll send them to you.
Greg,
It like
that's
almost
you right there.
it almost fell in the water.
That's
Yeah, I think you're right.
150 to 200. My guess.
Oh, that thing?
Yeah.
That's more than that, I bet.
That's three?
Yeah, that's a good three.
That looks like that looks too nice.
That's a good three.
Yeah, that looks nice.
What's happening? You get the big one again, Jory? Yeah. Give me a shirt.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
11. Or no, I think it was 11, 13. No, maybe it was 12 or 10.
Perfect.
One of those.
Couple winters ago, I went out on that.
Oh yeah.
Once a year, it's all right.
don't cry.
Yep.
Cry
That's
like
when
a
you go to
little
the
baby.
dentist. Go to the dentist.
I've already got to make an appointment with your yearly cleaning.
Move them teeth and work back together.
Now I'm gonna feel good.
I broke a tooth like over the winter. I was eating something and I was like, you know, like, oh God, what is that? It was way in the back, just broke in half. And I was like, oh my God, and it didn't hurt. Like I didn't get a nerve or anything. And I was like, holy shit, I just broke.
It's a sharp step on your
Exactly. So the whole, for 6 months I'm going like that.
Was he able to throw a couple of just like a cap or
No, I called.
going on?
I go, hey, so I just broke my tooth, and they're like, well, does it hurt? And I go, no. And they go, okay, well, we can get you in. I was like, when? They were like 3 months. I was like, what? 3 months? Like, what if it hurt? Like, I don't even know what to do if it really hurts. He goes, I don't know, you know?
They would have just fill it in.
Well,
Instead of a crown and all that other bullshit, fill it in. I got a few of them.
I went to Rite
They
Aid.
just keep the punch sharp.
I went to Rite Aid on lunch and got tooth patch.
Yeah.
It's like epoxy. You just put it in there, and then like I just didn't eat anything on the left. Yeah. What's that? I hope so.
Did anybody else finish?
They're still going to that mark.
Well, I know you were first to start here. They were near and you were supposed to quit.
Yeah. But yeah, then when I went, I was like, I just peeled it off, and they just made me a new teeth with epoxy, like the same shit that I made, but it was way better.
Now all you eat is like...
Now I don't eat Fritos. I used to eat Fritos every day.
And that's what
Yeah.
Applesauce.
I think it was just,
banana.
like, it was just time for that tooth to break, and I was eating Fritos,
Yeah, as you get older, you're going to notice that.
and I was like, and all the ladies that I was just at that baby shower always used to make fun of me because I would just take Fritos and go, like shovel them in. They're like, what do you, why don't you take 2 at a time? I was like, I got a half-hour lunch. Wow.
And you wonder why...
It's like, I got a half-hour lunch. I got to eat this shit. You get an hour, I get a half hour. Oh, yeah.
You must not have had fancy. They had to have known once they got out the brake ball. Once they would have gotten out the brake ball.
Our brake is to your left with the metal clip on it. You got it. All right, keep walking, dude. You got it, partner. You gotta go under there, dog. Get it, get it. Push one of those up. Watch fingers, watch fingers. All right, watch out. What if mom falls?
It's not angled towards her now.
Good job. Don't undo it, dude. There you go. Play with it. Go ahead. Have fun.
Scott, it's always a pleasure.
Good time.
Something to do every Sunday.
Heck yeah. out here again next weekend?
I think so. Yeah, I think next weekend, and then I'll check with Bob. I'm sure, unless he's over Vegas.
So whenever Tartan 10 Nationals, he's leaving on Sunday.
Okay.
But I don't know if they're going for a full week or like.
He might be out of town. Because I think Nationals is 12.
Yeah.
Dad, are you unclipping it?
No, leave it there, just like that. All I'm
But I don't know if he's going to be gone that Sunday to Sunday or if he's leaving that.
Yeah, you gotta get going.
With a little bit of luck, my boat will be ready the minute I get there.
Oh, you're taking your boat?
Yeah.
Bob will have it ready?
If he was sailing with me, yes, but I would have another guy going with me. Bob will probably help him get it ready.
Is he gonna sail his boat?
Yeah. Christian.
Is it just those two? That's it. They're good, but like they're. Oh, right, that one race we did. I'm assuming that one blue boat.
Stuck in the middle. I have pictures in my phone, but they don't pay. You guys are just silly.
Yeah.
I don't know what was going on.
But yeah, there was a husband and wife. They raced. They beat us in the race pretty much. But yeah, I mean, two people could race because the one first race I did, two guys beat us on the race. What about like a little bit of wind? Yeah.